In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and use the Southern Tier Goes Green calendar, as well as a tip on how to include your own events. The Southern Tier Goes Green calendar is a Google calendar that features events hosted by local groups in the New York Southern Tier. These events can be indoors, outdoors, free or not, kid-friendly or technical, but they all share one common theme: enjoying or protecting nature. The Green Calendar is designed to assist local organizers cross-promote events and to help attendees find events that might interest them. So where can you find it? Just go to the website for the Susquehanna group and click on the Events tab. See the link in the description. This is the calendar. As you can see, there are some events already here. If you click on them, they will expand, showing you all of the details for that specific event. The group hosting the event is shown at the top, with a link to their website. This will link to Google Maps, and will even give you directions on how to get there. You can change views to look at a specific week, or even change it to list mode. You can also copy an individual event to your own calendar by clicking this button at the bottom of its description. But the coolest feature is that you can sync up the whole thing with your own Google Calendar so you can always see what awesome events are happening near you. Okay, so you have an event that would be perfect for this. Now what? Well, you can shoot me an email. Make sure to include all relevant information, such as date, time, event description. Or if you represent a group that has their own list of events on a web page or Facebook, I'll update the website periodically with your new events. Now remember that tip I mentioned before? Well, there's another way to post events on the calendar. Let's head on back to the Susquehanna group webpage for a second. Scroll down past the calendar, and right here is a link to an event submission form. Fill this out, hit submit, and you're done. Your event will soon appear on the Southern Tier Goes Green calendar. We'll do our best to keep your original wording, but there might have to be some edits to keep consistent formatting. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.